Hey, what's up, good people? So here's a quick tutorial for you to download any online videos direct to your camera roll or photos. So how to do it? So first you need to go to Play Store and search Documents by Redel. Documents File Manager Player. I have already downloaded, so let's open this. So this is the interface of this app. Here you need to tap on this browser section in the bottom. I have already preloaded this page. You have to search here savefrom.net. Then you will be directed to this page, and then minimize this app, go to your Safari, and you can find any videos online or YouTube. Then tap on any videos. Okay, so after that you have to copy the URL of this video, and let's go to that previous page and paste the URL here. After you paste it, just click the arrow button and the video will come here. Let's download the 720p one, MP4. Okay, then click download, then just select done, and here's the download. I have already downloaded one video, so let's wait until the download is completed. So the download is finished, and if you tap on it, you can see the video is... So now the video is totally downloaded here, as you can see. Now you have to do is go to this file section and go to your downloaded folder, and here you can find this video you've just downloaded. You have to do is to tap on the three dot under the video, and you will find share option, and select share and select save video, and this will do is save your video into your camera roll album in your photos app. So here we can see that the video is here already, and we can play it. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give it a like and share this with your friends. And if you want these tips and tricks on this channel, this is my new channel, so subscribe and support me. I love you all. See you in the next video.